Okay, students. So today we are doing exercise 14.4, class ninth. So this is the first question. The following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. So this is the scores that is scored in 10 matches. Okay. So I should find the mean, median, and mode. Okay. Let's find it first. First we will find mean. Okay. Mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. So every formula will have some marks, so you should write, it is mandatory to write this formula. Okay, so what does it mean? Mean means what? It is sum of all observations. So these are the observations, this is the data set that is given. Okay, so I should add this data set first, sum of all observations. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so sum of all observations, the whole divided by total number of observations. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So divided by 10. Okay, now I should add it. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 9 plus 10, 15, 15, 18, 21, 25, 28. Okay, you add it and see 28 by 10. So 28 by 10, it will become 2.8. So 2.8 is the mean. So it's very easy to find mean. First, what you should do, you should add all this and divide it by total number of how many numbers are there. Okay. Next, so this is the answer of mean. Now I found out mean. Next, what I should do, median. So before going to median, what we should do is, median means what? Actually, it is a middle number. Okay, you will understand at the end. So first, what I should do is I should arrange this data set into ascending order. Okay. So this data set is not properly arranged now. So first, what will come? First 0. Okay, so you keep marking 0, next 1. Okay, next 1. Next what is coming? 2. Okay, 2. Next 3, 3, 3, 3. So 4 threes are there. 3, 3, 3, 3. And next 2 fours are there. 4, comma 4. And lastly I have 5. Correct? So first work of median is to arrange the dataset properly in ascending order. Next, what I should do is here. Next, now I should understand whether the given dataset is even or odd. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have to correct it. And the data is even. So whenever it is even, we have different formula. Whenever it is odd, we have different formula. Okay, so for median, when it is even, we have n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1 the term, the whole divided by 2 is the formula for median when it is even. Okay, so n by 2 first. N means what? N means what? First you should understand total number of observations are how much? 10. That is only n. Okay, so n is 10 by 2th, 10 by 2th plus 10 by 2 plus 1 the whole divided by 2. So next what we will get is 10 by 2 means fifth term. So fifth term plus 10 by 2 plus 1, that means 5 plus 1 the term the whole divided by what I will get 2. So what is the fifth term? Okay, see here. If I here the data set is here. Okay, so I should start from here. What is the fifth term? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the fifth term, and this is the sixth term. So both are 3. So fifth term is 3, and sixth term 5 plus 1 the term is sixth term. Sixth term is also 3. The whole divided by 2. How did I get it? Go to the median data. Go to the median data. You have arranged the data. You should check here, not this data. Okay, not this data. The arranged data. You should go there and you should check it. Okay. So I got 3 plus 3 is equal. So is equal to 6 by 2. That is equal to 3. Okay. So median is also median equals to 3. Understood? So this works for when the data is even. Okay. Last mode. So mode is very easy. So mode means what? First you should see this is the what the data set we have. Okay, so which is the most repeating terms here? 3 has repeated 4 times, correct? 3 has repeated 4 times. So mode is simple 3. So highest repeating, the most number of repeating times is 3. So that is the answer. Thank you.